Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can earn free USDT directly to your Trust Wallet account without any investment. And when I say no investment, I mean no investment coming from your own side. It is all free of charge. So guys, all you need to do over here, the link to this site is going to be left in the description box down below. Now when you click on the link in the description box below, it's going to be bringing you to this site to sign up, and you're going to be seeing over here sign up and login. Now as a new user, all you need to do is to tap on sign up, input your username, your phone number, your email, password, confirm your password, agree with terms and conditions, and you can go ahead and create your account and get a bonus of $5 mining power. So when your account is being created, all you need to do next is to go ahead and log into your account by inputting your username and password. Then you tap on login and you will be logged into your account successfully. So guys, as you can see over here, this is my earning on this site, and this site is a legitimate site. As you can see, this is my balance on this site, $1.39. So guys, when all you need to do is this, very simple. This is going to be at this end over here, just like this. It's going to be at the end, at the left hand side. So all you need to do is to drag it from the left hand side to the right hand side, and your miner is going to be mining automatically for you. So guys, this is how you can earn. And when you invite your friends, or you can also earn by inviting your friends, to earn 170 gigahertz per second for each referral. So to get your referral link, you go to the three lines at the top right corner of your screen. Now you tap on referrals, which is over here, and when you tap on the referrals, you're going to be seeing your referral link for you to copy. As you can see over here, tap on the copy link and it's going to be copied. Then you can share to your friends and loved ones, so they too can also earn from this free website. So guys, this is how you can earn. And on my next video, I'm going to be uploading a video on how I made withdrawal on this site. So guys, if you know you enjoy what we're doing on this channel by bringing up free updates for you over here to earn, please make sure to like this video, subscribe to this channel, click on the notification bell, so whenever we upload nice content like this, you're going to be notified on it. And also join our Telegram channel so you don't miss out on any updates we post there. And you know, the good thing about this site is that you're going to be making a lot of money from this site without any investment coming from your own side. Thanks for watching, and see you on my next video.